What's happening, what's going on? It is your buddy Samutupi. I'm glad that you're here on our YouTube channel. So what's going on is today I want to show you guys some updates on the trades that I took for the week so far, how many ups I'm with, how many downs I'm with, meaning that losses, the wins that I actually went through, and most importantly I want to update you with my Profim journey, because I know that I did take a Profim a few months ago. No, not even a few months, I think a few weeks, a month ago, but it's been a while since I've given you guys an update. So I also want us to just take a look at that, so I also give you feedback in terms of how I'm also planning on going forward with exactly that. And then what's going to happen is I'm just going to show you some of the trades that I was taking, what I saw, and also an update on them, and also continuously what we can learn from the week in terms of how we can go about capitalizing for the week. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, so one thing that we do is we normally speak about the financial markets. I educate you, I show you my experiences and so on. So one thing that you can do is to hit that subscribe button if you're new. But if you're not, make sure that you like this video, because this is where things are going to be changing for you. So the first thing that I'm going to do is that let me just pull out my prop firm results so that I can be able to show you. At first, I've got two prop firm challenges currently. I'm not sure if I actually have three, but the other one is just I wouldn't really count it as one because it's just something additional. But I just want to pull out those two that I have right here in front of me, so we are able to take a look at it. So the first one is the funded marketplace, and I took this $100,000 account, and it's been a while since I traded on this, truly speaking, because see, the last time I placed a trade was the 27th of March, which is now we are currently on the 16th of April. 15 days, more than like 3 weeks, truly speaking, was the last time I actually placed a trade on this. And already you can see the results here, every trade that I was taking, my losses, my wins, and everything. It's super transparent. Let me just come here. And let me just go back to the trading journal, because what I'm trying to do here is I want to trading journal here. You can see so far we up by 2.4 in terms of the total profit, and I have targets of hitting. You can see the profits that I was making, some losses and so on, but the targets you can see here, all these days I didn't really trade on it, and that is because of, obviously, I was now trying to build other portfolios, and at the same time I was also leveraging trading on my life accounts, and I just had a lot of things going on for me to just focus on this. So what I done as well is I actually got another account. So with this is the one that I currently have with Funded Marketplace. So yeah, I'll just obviously continue trading it, especially this week, next week, and so on, just so we are able to get to the next phase and stuff. But so far this is what we at. And the next one is, this one is funny because I had this challenge. I just want to show you guys something real quick. This one here, I had it 15 November. You can see the date here, so it's an old one, but I just want to show you. It was a $50,000 FTMO account, and guess what? I passed it, but I failed. So I hit the pass minimum trading days. Then here I done a maximum loss of this 3.8, which is more than what was needed. I think the max was like 5%. I done this 7%, but at the same time I also hit take profit that exact same day. So see here, this is the trade, the 14th of November, which was when I filled this prop firm. I made $9,000, but before this $9,000 was made, there was a negative that floated. This is the one you see. In total profit was $10,000 on a $50,000 account. That's a 20% profit. And you can see here, this is how the account was, because I started nice. I was now, I was moving here, and so on. Profits, I was in profits at max. I was like $2,700 in profits, and then here I was like boom, negative, and then this negative here. I don't even know how it happened, and then boom, then I passed it. But yeah, I done this. So what I done is that I now got another account, 100K account on FTMO. So I just want to show you. Yes, here's the account now. And with this account also, I had a few negatives. I'll show you guys, but I'm also, now you can see there's profits that are running right now. But let me just do matrix. Yes, matrix right here, so you're able to see. So this account is super simple. Didn't really take many trades. I think so far I took 4 trades, 5 trades, and just simple. Just take a look at it. This was yesterday. Yes, yesterday $310 negative. Today already it's 640. It's not even 1%, guys. Mind you, 1% of this account is $1,000, and it's not even 1%. You can see so far this is the trades that I took on it, and they're running for this one ran a bit long. They're running a bit long, but just check this. Super simple. So currently with this year, the goal is to obviously, I need to be able to just push it all the way up so I can hit 10,000 profits, $10,000, and then that's when I'll be able to move to the next phase. But yeah, this is just an update on what's going on with the profs and with the trades here that I took, because the trades are here, which is gold, which is US 100, and as well GBP/USD. So let's just take a look at the setups with US 30. No, yes, I think I had a trade. No, US 30 is the one it's actually the one that's running now in profits. If you look here, we have a trade that is in profits. Life matrix, I don't know. Let me just see what this would do. I think it will show. Yeah. How does it work? Oh yeah, I've got this trade open, US 30, and currently we're running at $150. But this is the one. I caught it here with the sell, sold here, and went down. It went back here, went down. But now I even moved my entry, my stop loss to somewhere above here, I believe. So I just wanted to go all the way down. If it goes and hits take profit, I'm gonna make over thousands of dollars. But this is gonna be amazing. So this is already running, so I can't really say that it's a profit because it's still running. But this is the one that went against me because I was seeing a beautiful sell here, took a sell literally here, and then price just went and hit my stop loss. It's okay, I understand, it does happen. And also with Euro USD, I took a sell here, and it went down. It was nice small profits, and then it went up and hit my stop loss. And it's okay, I understand, because why? Let me come back down to the dollar index. So looking at the dollar index, I can simply see that right here with the dollar index, I was looking for price because it retested here. I was looking for it to just continue going upwards, but it didn't do that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to adjust this, tweak it a bit, have this be here, more like this, and then I'm just going to adjust this, and then I can see that it's now a change. So what I mean, can see that this is impulse, we at support, and we are potentially going to be breaking to the downside. Why? Because also this pattern that's being printed here, it's more of it's more of an impulse and a correction, and obviously the next impulse. In fact, after this impulse, small impulse here, we are now correcting right here, then obviously we'll be looking to go down. So right now I can see that with the new updates that we currently have, this could potentially be sellers. And if it is a sell, let me just see how far we would be selling to. Let me just see. At least somewhere around these areas. At least our first take profit is going to be around these areas. Okay, 60. Let's do this. Perfect. Yes, I can see it. Hopefully it shows, or it's going to show on the daily. It's just showing on the daily. So let me do this. Make it show on even the smaller time frame. I just wanted to show as well on the 1 hour. Let's say 1 hour, because now it's showing all the way to the 60. Okay, perfect. Right here, and then yeah, here we are. So we're basically coming all the way down to here. Right now we're basically coming all the way down to here because of how price is moving here. So what that means is that obviously a change in Euro USD as well. That means this is no longer valid. This is no longer valid. It's just an update. I need to put this up here. Need to increase this. I can see already we broke out here. Then now we have retested here, which potentially means that there's a higher chance of us going all the way back upwards. And then if we do happen to go upwards, this is the first take profit here. But let me just see where exactly we could potentially go. The next take profit could be here. So let me just make sure that this is also visible on the 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour. Perfect. And then, yeah, that's basically what we're looking for right now on, Euro USD. In fact, I think this is a solid one. It's a nice one, especially now that I'm using the 1 hour to basically let my trades run. So something more like, yeah, because already I can see there's a breakout, and after that breakout, it's more of a young, smaller pattern that also presented itself here. Can see how nice and clean. So something more like this, and then maybe potentially putting a stop below here, and then taking profit somewhere around here, So yeah, that's Euro USD. And then GBP/USD, I would say more like the same, because all I have to do is just extend this here, and yeah, this already is coming potentially to break somewhere. To retest there, treat this area as support, and then it will just continuously see price go all the way upwards. Plus as well, we can see that, let me remove this, you can see that this area here, some area of strong support. Okay, strong support here, but I'm not gonna focus much on it. Let's see US30. US30, I'm not gonna really play much on it because anyways, I believe that it's moving well. The only thing I need to do, because I'm still waiting for it to go down, this is in fact my first take profit, but I'm looking for price to come somewhere around here at the lows, which will be at 9.2%. But that is US30. So far it's running nice in profits. And in terms of once it breaks below here, once it breaks the low, I'm just going to take my stop loss and put it back to entry, and then that way I don't have risk that's exposed anymore. Okay, and then let's check US tech. Okay, this gap still insane. Price is now moving well. Obviously, we're looking at this. Price was pushing a bit more upwards a few days ago. I wanted it to come here to retest there before it goes down, but it retested here, which makes sense because it's this area. Then it went down. It's moving down. It's more like US30, but not too aggressive. So I'm just also gonna, lay low from it. And then this one here, gold. Gold was amazing because I did mention a buy, but I was like, it's a bit more tough being able to see where exactly you're gonna find a buy because it's vivid. It's not like I can't see it, but it's just that we wanted it to retrace, if I may put it that way. And also did mention that because the momentum is to the upside, we mustn't forget with the fact that we are looking at a buy, but we just have to wait for the right area. So far I can see what has been printed, price printed more like a pattern like this. That's a continuation. So the best way that I can enjoy this is if it just comes back down, maybe somewhere around here, and then once it tests this area, I can go back up with it, because why this area would have been previously resistant, now becoming a new support area, something more like this. But I'll just continue observing and looking at it because I can't enter here where it is right now. But the best one for me for the day would be Euro USD and as well US30. And yeah, man, I just want to keep on adjusting and as well managing, plus at the same time just scanning for high probability trades, because I understand that this is one of the best ways that I can grow as a trader, because mind you, we are all in the process of learning, becoming better, and just developing ourselves. So this is one of the best ways that I can believe would work easily and much more better for me. So yeah, if you are looking for a community of traders whereby you'd be able to just get free resources and everything related to that, check out the very first link in the description. You'd be able to get access to our Telegram community, and yeah, man, you'll be able to benefit from it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like and as well subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is your buddy Somo to be. I thank you for watching. I will see you on the next YouTube video.